National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, southwestern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, east central Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:59 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles south of Santee State Park, or 15 miles north of Indian Field, moving north at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Santee State Park around 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Somerton around 10:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Santee, Davis Station, Mill Creek Marina and Campground, Vance and St. Paul. This includes Interstate 95 between mile markers 94 and 116. Take cover now. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to an interior room or closet on the lowest floor of a sturdy building immediately. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Immediately move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.